Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can fix Bluetooth and Wi-Fi problems if it is not working in Motorola phones. Before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like the video if you like the video. First you have to go to the settings option in your smartphone, then you have to search the system settings and swipe down. You can see there is a reset option, click on it and you can see there is a reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click on reset. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi has been resetted and now your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is working. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.